Whoa, hey, Rodney, where are you going? You've got work to do. Remember, we told them last week we was going to show them this week your ranch recipe. Yeah, well, we better get on it. And y'all stick around. I'll show you how. Hang on, Rodney. Before we go any further, I'd like to remind you guys, please don't forget to mash that subscribe button, give me a big old thumbs up, maybe even leave me a comment or two. I sure would appreciate it. For this year recipe, you're going to need some ranch dressing of your choice, some sriracha sauce, some ketchup, some tomato paste, and some pre-cooked bacon bits. Hey y'all, welcome to another episode of Eatin Good in the Woods. Channel that shows you just because you're camping doesn't mean you got to eat like a hobo. So as I alluded to in last week's episode, we've got a special dressing for this roasted chicken bite salad, and it's a recipe we call around here Rodney Ranch. So it's nice and creamy, and it's got a little bit of sweet, got a little bit of heat, all the spices you want. Oh my good golly, it is fantastic. Hardly fit to eat, one might say, but we'll keep going till we find a good spot. That's right. Let's get after it. Hang on, Rodney. Rodney, that ain't your bite. So this really is a very easy recipe. We're going to start by emptying out the contents of that bottle of ranch into a bowl here. We're going to stick it upside down, let some of that ranch drain into the neck of the bottle. Then we're going to add a tablespoon of tomato paste and a tablespoon of sriracha. Of course, you can add as much of this as you want or as little as much of this as you want. It's up to your taste. Then we're going to add a tablespoon of ketchup. And we'll drain out the last bit of that ranch and we'll give it a good stir. Say, that reminds me, if y'all are looking for a way to support this channel, keep this here trainer rolling full of farm fresh content twice a week, why don't you slide over to my Teespring shop, get yourself a coffee mug or maybe even a t-shirt. But if you don't want to do that, how about you go to buymeacoffee.com, and for the price of a cup of coffee, you help keep this train rolling. You can also visit boondockerswelcome.com. All of the links are in the description. Thanks a bunch. Now we should add a little bacon. What do you say? That look like enough to y'all? I don't know. Bacon makes everything better, remember? Yep, let's keep it going, and then we'll give it another good stir, and then I think it's going to be time to taste it. And let's see what this is all about. Thumbs up! Now we'll give it a look. Oh yeah. Well now, ladies and gentlemen, it is done. D-U-N, done. That's right. Let's have a quick look at this. Ooh, isn't that lovely? This is going to be hardly fit to eat. We'll keep going till we find a good spot, won't we? All right, let's give it a quick stir here. I already know what it tastes like because it's Rodney's favorite dressing, but we're going to give it a stir here and give it a quick taste. Get some of those greens on there. Get you a fork full of that with some of that salad dressing. Gonna find me a redneck girl, ladies and gentlemen, because that there is delicious. And I promise you, you're gonna like it. It's the perfect blend of spicy, creaminess, lots of herbs, that sort of thing. Hardly fit to eat, but we'll keep going till we find a good spot. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for sticking for part number 2 of this. I sure appreciate it. In the meantime, y'all going out there, be nice to one another. I sure love y'all. God bless. See you next time.